If you're an English learner, you speak English, or you're just about to start learning English, then this video is for you. So keep watching. Hello, language lovers. Welcome back to my channel. Without further ado, let's jump right in. 5 reasons your English isn't improving. Number one, you think you already know English and there is nothing more to learn. I'm sorry to disappoint you. You haven't even scratched the surface when it comes to English language. English language is a vast language. In fact, when I started teaching English on YouTube, I got to discover so many things I didn't know. So please don't ever think that you know English because you don't know. There are so many things to learn. So please submit yourself to learning. Learn English every day if you want to become better at speaking English. Number two, you think you don't need English. I think you need English. Why? Because English is the official language of over 50 countries and it is used as a means of communication in countless fields like business, education, and entertainment. Now, good communication skills are an asset to your job, prospect, and career growth. Now, if you even want to build a wide network, you need English language. Imagine you meet someone from another country, maybe a business partner or a new friend. The first language you want to communicate with is English language. So you need English because it has become a global language. So please start learning English intentionally today. Number three, not implementing what you learn. One main reason I started this YouTube channel was to fix the bad English I hear almost every day. It's one thing to know how to speak English, it's another thing to know how to speak correct English. In my YouTube channel, I try to fix some of those grammatical errors I hear every day. So if you hear those things and still hold on to your incorrect and bad English, you will never get better. Some of my videos, I talk about some of those bad and incorrect English which I speak. For example, it is incorrect to say, one of my friends is coming tomorrow. The correct thing is one of my friends, not one of my friends. And it is also incorrect to say, when I return back, I will return back in 2 weeks' time. It is, I will return tomorrow. It's also incorrect to say, reverse back the car. It is reverse the car. So imagine you watch that video and still stick to your reverse back the car. You will never get better. So you learn the correct thing and you implement it. Yes, it might take time, but be conscious to implement it and you get better in no time. So I'll advise you just go back to some of my videos and see what you can learn from them. Number four is fear of making mistakes. Now, if you learn something new, there is no two ways about it. You will make mistakes. So don't be scared to make mistakes. In fact, you see mistakes and failures as a learning process. Embrace mistakes, embrace failures, because in failing and in making mistakes, you get better. So when you make mistakes, you get corrected, you get better. So never be scared of making mistakes or failing at anything, whether you're learning language or starting a new business. Don't ever get scared of making mistakes or failing, because it is one of the things you will encounter when learning or starting something new. And finally, number five, fear of being laughed at. Well, sometimes We are scared of being laughed at. Oh, my English is too poor. I can't speak in front of people, or I can't speak confidently. Now, if you entertain fear of being laughed at, you will never get better. People will always encourage you if they see you try or attempt something new. But if you find yourself among naysayers, people laugh at you, then why don't you do it this way? Determined to get better at it. The same people that laughed at you will praise you. They will clap for you and tell you, bravo, you did it. So don't ever entertain fear of being laughed at. Sometimes it's just an illusion. So keep pushing, try to get better every day, build your self confidence, and in no time, your English will be so good that people will be amazed anytime they hear you speak. That's it for today, guys. I hope this video inspired you. Remember that I am your number one cheerleader. I want to see you get better at speaking good English. I'll see you in the next one, guys. You take care. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you're yet to do so, and turn on the notification so you don't miss a lesson, because every lesson is invaluable. Take care, guys. Bye.